So the markets gapped down today. There was the crazy thing that happens for the market was Snap came up with some news that they're gonna miss the earnings, so they released a statement and something like that, and that took down the whole social media sector down really. Like Snap was down, Alright guys, this is Andrew. I'm going to do the recap today. I'm going to actually take it long on TQQ right now here. So the markets gapped down today. There was the crazy thing that happens for the market was Snap came up with some news that they're going to miss the earnings, so they released a statement and something like that, and that took down the whole social media sector down really. Like Snap was down, TQQ was down, Facebook was down, Pinterest pins was down 10%. Snap is now 41%, and sentiment was really bad for social media. The market is obviously really heading down because there's a risk of recession in Europe and US. In US the risk is low, but in recession in Europe is definitely they're going to have some trouble. With the war and with all of this increased military spending that they have. So the QQQ is the representative of the technology sector. It started a big sell-off. It was down like pre-market 1% and then down all the way up to 4%. Right now it's down 3.3%. One way of trading it is actually catching, trading TQQ or anything that's correlated with the technology sector like NVIDIA, AMD, Apple. Like Brian traded AMD. So I traded TQQ. Damn it, it dropped. So yeah, I traded TQQ, and so I tried to catch the reversal at S4. Eventually, after a couple of stab, we got that, and then it sold off heavily. I tried to catch twice again. I got stopped out, but eventually we got it at 25.50. When the reason that I took that was Apple was really holding the S4 level at around 137.50, and then that's the moment that I decided to take that trade at around 25.50. We ran the momentum. Damn it. This just dropped. I shouldn't have really gone into there. I got trapped in there. Anyway, so I went long and added more, popped up, and then I got stopped out. And then after this popped through these moving averages, I got out. But now I got stuck in there, so I probably got stopped out. Yeah. So the QQQ are really setting off. So that's I kind of got stuck. But anyways, yeah, I probably have to actually get a loss on that. So Brian, how was your day?
It was okay. I mean, some winners, some losers. I shorted pins at the open, and really I kind of got out of it too early, but I did make some money on it. My best trade probably of the day was catching this double bottom on AMD around 10:15, which is typically when you get these sort of reversing patterns anyway around that time of day, sort of half an hour to 45 minutes into the open. So got a nice move back all the way up to the VWAP from that double bottom around 970 or 89.70, I should say. So probably my best trade of the day.
Yeah, so Brian, you just took this reversal rounding bottom. I essentially took that through the TQQ as well. The same move happened, but you traded AMD. I also traded Apple at the open. It was a little bit of a FOMO trade. I saw that Apple opened really strong. I jumped in for the 1 minute pin range breakup a little bit early, got out, and then jumped back again. I made a little bit of a profit on that, but I just lost. I kind of messed up my day. So I'm actually down $600. So I was profitable on TQQ, but I got stopped out on it. And I gave the profit back. Apple was also very, very small profit. So I messed up today. It's right in front of you. That was not a good situation that happened here. But anyway, so TQQ, selling off. Is gonna go back for the low of the day. Qs are really selling off. Anyways, so tonight, guys, the webinar, well, first of all, sorry, I'm a little bit messed up because Carlos is here. He woke up at 4:30. I just woke up at 4:30 with him. I went for a run. It's been a while that I haven't run before my trading, so it was really fun. I'm all sweaty and smelly. but it was a really fun trading in the morning before, and it's beautiful Vancouver at this time. It's um, and then yeah, so tonight I have the webinar about talking how to, I want to talk about all these sectors and, how stocks in play and why TQQ, why SOXL, when Apple, when AMD type of thing. And a lot of people are having this trouble and issue that, okay, what stock to find to trade. And that's essentially what they were thinking and saying. So what I'm really going to talk over is how to find these stocks in play. So come into the webinar Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern time, which is 5 p.m. on the Pacific time. There's also, we want to have a small Vancouver meetup because there were a couple of people requested that. So we're going to post that. If you're in Vancouver, we can have a drink in Friday evening together, either at the office or we go somewhere, depending on how many people come up. But it's going to be a small one. Brian, anything from you?
No, that's it. Just like I said, it's a little bit volatile still, the markets. We'll just have to keep things green, keep your stops tight, and yeah. So just this will pass too. We'll get into a different phase of the market, but it's just that's the market we've got right now.
Yeah, excellent, guys. Well, thank you so much, and see you soon.